Hey guys, you guys been asking for me to do a animal tour, so I'm going to be doing that today. I have one of my animals right beside me being a little brat biting my leg. Okay, so the first animal I have is a little Chihuahua. He is 13 weeks old, and here he is. Come on. Charlie. And his name is Charlie. 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 Look. I know. Charlie, look. Well, that's the first one. The second one is a tiger cat. I have no idea where she is. She's in my footprint somewhere. Oh, there she is. She is 5 years old. She is a tiger cat, and her name is Molly. The last animal I have is a Siamese cat. She is... Hey Mom, you know where Elsa is?
Outside.
Oh, she's outside.
You just let her out.
Well, see if we can see her outside. Hopefully. Yep, we can. Hi. Elsa. Here she is. She is a year old, and her name is, of course, Elsa. She's my favorite brand of, cat. There's this green. I thought it was a tick. But it's not. It is a flower head. Well, she is my favorite brand of cat. She said, no, I'm not. You stop back talks. Well, that's all the animals I personally have. Well, actually, my other cat is somewhere outside. I don't know where she at, so I didn't want to put her on camera. But I have no idea where she is. Go. Why? Because. Okay. Well, I got my inside. Okay. I'll show you. I have no idea where she is. Oh, there she is. She is a twin. She is a twin of Molly. This is the twin of the other cat. The twin. Oh, there's my dog. Get your butt over here. You took your collar off. How come? You little brat. Oh, I got his face. So yeah, that's going to be it for my video today. Love you guys. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. And get up to 1 million views. Love you. Bye.